Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is Arif. In this video, we are going to analyze the situation which got created due to the recent use of jets, the Chinese, French, and the American jets as well in the battle between India and Pakistan. There was a lot of hue and cry that this jet got hit, so this technology is bad, that country is bad, this country is good. But since the dust after the battle is settling down, so I am going to now show you the reality. Once there is a war, I mean there are a lot of lies created and there are fabricated stories and people's brains stop working. But once the battle is settling down, so people start analyzing the situation in a calm manner. So in order to do that, first I am going to show you a video and then we are going to talk more. So let's start the video.
You could explain for the 4 other kills which aircraft was used, whether it was J-10C or JF-17, and if there was an air-to-air missile used, if it was the PL-15, and whether that was the PL-15 export version or the original version.
Let's not go into details with which aircraft at which angle and aspect, and at D-max was it at what delta, but we did have a high mat kill. We had participation from JF-17, the F-16s, the J-10s, and PL-15E or X or Y. It's the short log that we had.
So now since you guys have seen this video, so let me repeat this because a lot of brains got brainwashed due to the social media and the Godi media and the Chinese media. So first of all, he is asking that whether the missiles used were PL-15s, which one was the platform, like it was JF-17, F-16 or J-10, which shot down those IAF jets by PAF, right? So the answer he is giving that as far as the platforms are concerned, F-16s are used, JF-17s are used and J-10s are used, right? So that propaganda or brainwashing which says that the Pakistanis can't use their F-16s against India, that is now gone. There were 42 jets used, and unless you use F-16s, there is no chance that you can't use the 42 jets against India, right? Because Pakistan has only 20 J-10s, right? So out of the 20, how much were the battle ready? Maybe 10. Same way, block 3 JF-17, Pakistan has about 26 or 27, right? Which can really perform the combat. I mean, Pakistan has 50 block 1 as well and then 62 block 2 as well. But as far as block 3 is concerned, it is the latest. So how much they are ready, how much J-10s were ready, that is another question. So out of 42 jets, unless you use F-16s, there is no chance that you can go against India, right? So that thing that Pakistan can't use, I mean the other day I was hearing a Chinese guy which is a defense expert. He was talking that since Pakistan can't use F-16s against India, so I don't know what kind of defense experts are those which see these videos, clips, and even then they can't get the expertise required to become a defense expert. So this is the level of the defense experts of China, India and Pakistan. I have seen a lot of Indian experts as well which are talking about this thing that Pakistan can't use their F-16s against India. Total rubbish. I have seen even Pakistani defense experts, so-called defense experts, I call this. I mean a guy from PAF on live TV is telling you that Pakistan used their F-16s, JF-17s as well as J-10s and people can't hear it. That's what brainwashing can do, not only to the common people but also the defense, so-called defense experts as well. Now as far as the missile use is concerned, he is talking about whether it is a PL-15E, X, Y, Z, that doesn't matter because they don't want to tell, right? Now you can try to figure out that the guy is asking that which jet was used against which jet to shoot it down, right? But the answer is don't care about this thing, forget about this thing, right? I mean, on one hand, Pakistanis are creating videos and releases though this is the JF-17 with the hypersonic missile, and this is going to destroy their S-400s of India, right? So no secrecy is getting used, right? So in fact, actually they are actually promoting this thing, that this is the JF-17, this is the hypersonic missile. People know its name as well. Same way once Pakistan used Fatah missiles to hit targets inside India. A video was shown. People are saying Nara Takbir, Allahu Akbar, and the missiles are getting fired, right? No secrecy. But why there is secrecy? Even if a guy in the press conference is asking this question, that which were the jets and which were the missiles which shot down Indian jets, no answer. Leave this thing. Only because this is the most sophisticated technology. You can't expose this secret. Al-Fatah missiles or those hypersonic missiles which got used on JF-17s, they are nothing. They are very good. But as far as this air-to-air battle is concerned, these BVR missiles, this is the most advanced, most key technology which a country can have. So Pakistani F-16s have BVR missiles. Pakistani JF-70, there was a news 2-3 days earlier before this battle that Pakistani JF-17s were shown with the PL-15E missiles, right? Same way JF-17s have PL-15E missiles. Now as far as F-16s are concerned, Iran doesn't have jets. Afghanistan doesn't have jets. BVR missiles only purpose is air-to-air strikes, right? If there is a jet, BVR missile can hit it. If Pakistan can't use BVR missiles against India, then where it is going to use? Did you ever ask this question? Did those defense experts, so-called, ask this question? Because they don't even know what is a BVR missile even. I mean, against China, Pakistan can't use its American given AIM-120C missiles, BVR missiles, because China is its ally. So as far as Afghanistan and Iran are concerned, they don't even have jets, right? Iran is now getting Su-35s, but once Pakistan got BVR missiles from America, Iran didn't have any jets, right? So the only jets which Pakistani BVR missiles from F-16s can hit targets are Indian jets. And if they can't hit the Indian jets, according to this so-called propaganda, then why even America gave Pakistan the BVR missiles? Pakistan told actually America that against Indian Su-30s, they are going to use it. That's where they got these AIM-120C. This is what you call defense expertise. All the reality is on media. And now I can tell you why this guy is not telling. It was the F-16s. I mean, if you see on Indian media, due to Indian social media, the photos came out. This is the PL-15E on the ground. This is the PL-15E on the ground, right? Did you ever hear a AIM-120C which hit Abhinandan's jet? It was on the ground. Because once a missile hits a jet, it shoots down a jet. You can't find that missile on the ground. You only find those missiles on the ground which miss their targets. Those PL-15s Indians were showing because they missed their targets. They hit the ground. That's where you can collect their debris. Their remains you can only show to the world once they miss a target. AIM-120C you saw in the battle against Abhinandan. In February 2019, Indians showed your Pakistan, actually that jet fell inside Pakistan. Did Pakistani show this is Abhinandan's jet remains? This is the remains of AIM-120C. Because once a missile hits a target in the air, a jet, the explosion is so powerful that you can't find the missile. and its remains. Once a missile hits the ground, it misses the target, then you can see that missile on the ground. Oh, this is the missile's remains. Those PL-15Es missed their targets. So my point is, it was Pakistan's F-16s who shot down these 5 jets of India. Not JF-17s with PL-15Es, not J-10s with PL-15Es. It is just Chinese propaganda. Chinese PL-15Es missed all their targets. That's where you found out on the floor. That's where Indians took their photos and showed to the world, this is a PL-15E, this is a PL-15E. People are judging, oh, since Pakistan used PL-15E, that's where their photos are there. Did you ever see a photo of that AIM-120C fired by an F-16 which shot down Abhinandan's jet? Because once it hits the target jet, the explosion is so hard you can't find its remains. But once it hits the ground, that's where you find its remains. Oh, this is its radar, this is its tail, this is its head. Oh, this is the total missile you can find in one area. Once it explodes by hitting a jet in the air, you can't find its remain. All you can find is the remains of jet. So now you tell me PL-15E you can see on ground their photos. Where are the photos of AIM-120C? This guy is telling you Pakistan used its F-16s against India, and that is the truth. Because Pakistan can only use its F-16s against India. No one else. Because Iranis don't have jets, they are getting jets now. Afghanis don't have jets. BBR missile on F-16 is an air-to-air missile. Pakistan is not going to use that against China because China is its ally, right? So against whom they are going to use it? Against India. And Pakistan, as I am telling you, once you are buying a missile, the country which is selling, it's their high-tech technology, so they are going to ask you every question against whom you are going to use this, what kind of jets you have, what kind of jets they have, what kind of the situation would be there. So Pakistan is actually told Americans, Indians didn't have Rafales then, they had Su-30s, their main weapon. So Pakistan is actually told Americans against Indian Su-30s they are going to use these BBR missiles, and that's where Americans gave these missiles. So this is the reality. You are not going to find any F-16s, BBR, AIM-120C on Indian ground because they are quality weapons. They hit jets 5-0. You are going to find all the Chinese missiles here and there. Oh, this is the remains of this missile, PL-15. Oh, here is a PL-15. There is a PL-15. This is a PL-15 because they missed their target. So how are PL-15 shot down a Rafale? Tell me. PL-15 you can find here and there on the ground. You can find Rafale's remains on the ground as well, right? Because they got hit by Pakistan F-16s. I mean, nowhere in India Pakistan has used its F-16s. And let me tell you, Pakistan has 40 years of experience over F-16s. They have less than 2 years of experience on J-10s. Indian same way has less than 2 years experience of Rafales. I don't know why both of the countries even use J-10s and Rafales. What was the point once you don't have any experience even over these yet? Pakistan has at least 15 years of experience of JF-17s. So if JF-17s shot down those PL-15 missiles, I can understand, because Pakistan recently got those PL-15Es on the JF-17s, right? But at least they have the experience of JF-17, how it performs, how it flies, how you can maneuver this jet, how you can bring it back, how you can increase its speed, all the skills. But again I am asking you, did you ever found any remains of a AIM-120C in February 2019 Operation Swift Retort? Because AIM-120C is a battle proven missile. It hits its targets in the air. It doesn't fall on the ground so that you can find its remain and tell the world, this is the missile Pakistan was using against India. You are going to find the remains of the PL-15Es, because that missile is not a battle proven missile, and I still have doubts whether it is a battle proven missile. Now I don't know whether you have understood this thing from me or no, so I am going to show you again that video which is going to tell you the real thing. Leave Chinese propaganda, leave Indian propaganda, leave Pakistani propaganda. Watch the video and try to figure out which jets were used, what kind of missiles were used, and why they are not exposing these details. Defense systems S-400 are nothing. Real thing is air-to-air missile, those BBR missiles which are on Rafales, which are on JF-17s, which are on F-16s. You are never going to tell the world their details, which jet shot down which jet, which missile was used, but you can easily figure out by seeing the remains of PL-15s, and you are never going to see the remains of AIM-123C. This is the difference between a quality missile and a missile which is not battle tested. So let's start the video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Have fun. So see the clip again.
If you could explain for the 4 other kills which aircraft was used, whether it was J-10C or JF-17, and if there was an air-to-air missile used, if it was the PL-15, and whether that was the PL-15 export version or the original version.
Let's not go into details with which aircraft at which angle and aspect, and at D-Max was it at what delta, but we did have a high MAD kill. We had participation from JF-17, the F-16s, the J-10s, and PL-15E or X or Y. It's the short log that we had.